In 1816, 3 women tried to end their lives, all for the same man.
Lord Byron didn't just seduce women. He reprogrammed their minds using psychological tactics so dark, historians tried to bury them for 200 years. What you're about to learn could destroy relationships or create obsession so powerful she'll never escape your gravity. This is the first rule Byron used, the mirror of darkness. Byron discovered that women don't fall for perfection. They become addicted to carefully crafted flaws. He would deliberately reveal a dark secret, then immediately withdraw, creating what psychologists now call trauma bonding. Lady Caroline Lamb wrote in her diary,
"He told me of his demons, then vanished for 3 days. I couldn't eat, couldn't sleep. When he returned, I would have done anything just to keep him near."
The second law, intellectual seduction. Byron never complimented a woman's beauty first. Instead, he'd find her hidden intelligence and worship it, making every other man seem shallow by comparison. He would quote poetry in ancient Greek, then teach her the meaning, word by intimate word. She felt chosen, special, understood in ways her husband never attempted. But here's where Byron turned truly dangerous. The third law, controlled chaos. He would create drama, then become the only source of peace. Start arguments between her friends, then comfort her. Push her to jealousy, then swear devotion. One victim wrote,
"He orchestrated my entire emotional world. When he was pleased, I felt like a goddess. When he withdrew, I became nothing. I didn't realize until years later, he was playing me like an instrument."
The fourth law will shock you, strategic vulnerability. Byron would break down at calculated moments, cry real tears about his clubfoot, his father's abandonment, but only when her defenses were lowest. This created the savior complex. She believed only she could heal his darkness. Every woman thought she was the special one who could fix him. None realized 20 others felt exactly the same. The fifth law, intermittent reinforcement. Byron gave affection like a drug dealer gives samples, intense doses followed by withdrawal. Brain scans show this creates stronger addiction than consistent love ever could. The sixth law, narrative control. Byron made each woman the heroine of an epic romance only he was writing. She didn't realize she was just another chapter in his collection of conquered souls. The seventh and darkest law, the exit strategy. Byron always left first, always left them wanting. He'd disappear at the peak of passion, ensuring they'd spend years trying to recreate that high. But here's what history won't tell you. Byron died at 36, alone, diseased, haunted by the women he destroyed. His final words? "I have been cursed by my own powers." The manipulator's greatest victim was always himself.